The biggest cost in any factory in the world is downtime. A stop in production can cost millions of dollars, and the decision of whether to stop production to immediately fix the problem or wait until the next planned downtime is often critical. Today, we can empower factories to not only recognize problems ahead of time, but also to make the decision about the priority of the problem. PTC has developed the manufacturing journey to help companies chart their course to continuous operational improvement through digital manufacturing, real-time intelligence, and predictive analytics. With PTC Project Sigma for asset performance, manufacturers can harness the power of predictive analytics and achieve outcomes such as real-time performance visibility and real-time issue identification. Using the manufacturing assembly line demo, let's play the role of a maintenance engineer. In a single pane of glass, we can see all of the assets that we're responsible for, including their status, associated maintenance work orders coming from the existing EAM system, and any alerts. By selecting a specific asset, we can see exactly how it's performing. Let's take a closer look at some of these assets, starting with the quality station. We immediately see its status and associated KPIs, conveyor speed, vibration, and motor temperature. We're also immediately notified of any warnings, malfunctions, or potential future problems. Right now, everything looks good. We could drill into the status of any asset, but let's look at the pneumatic system next. Let's see what would happen if there was an air leak in the system. We're going to open this escapement valve to mimic the effect of a loose fitting. As we open the valve, we can hear the leak, and we can immediately see an anomaly in the airflow sensor reading and in the trend chart. An alert has been triggered, and the asset status indicator has changed from green to orange. We can also see on the dial that the airflow value is now visibly outside of its normal operating range. This actionable intelligence can be delivered to maintenance personnel on the shop floor with augmented reality, meaning that you can easily monitor the status of your assets and be alerted of any malfunction, regardless of whether you're at a workstation or on the move. Notice that our application is also predicting that the leak will result in a pneumatic gate failure in 10 days' time. Our Thingworx predictive analytics engine has been running this entire time and receiving data from the system at the rate of 30,000 data points per second. This real-time data streaming allows software to establish a baseline of normal operating conditions and immediately detect and broadcast any anomalies that arise. Thingworx predictive analytics then uses those anomalies combined with its prediction capabilities to predict future outcomes, as we've seen in the case of the air leak. Fortunately, the system has also auto-generated a maintenance work order in our work queue to ensure that we address this problem before it results in unplanned downtime. Let's close the valve now and notice how the status indicator goes to green and the alert disappears. With PTC Project Sigma for asset performance, we've integrated our key information technology systems, both asset maintenance and ERP, to provide real-time alignment between our IT and OT systems and enable the maintenance team to prevent failures before they occur. As we've demonstrated, this solution supports the outcomes within both the understand and advance band of the PTC IoT manufacturing journey with predictive analytics, as well as real-time performance visibility and issue detection. Check out the next video to see how PTC Project Sigma and Thingworx can unlock additional value on the shop floor with PTC Project Sigma for operational intelligence.